Hi everyone and welcome to Abhishek's Kitchen. Today we are going to make sambar.
For this, we need first for the sambar masala 5 chopped shallots, 1/4 teaspoon asafetida, 2 tablespoon coriander seeds, 1 teaspoon black peppercorns, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon mustard seeds, 1 tablespoon skinned and split black gram, 1 tablespoon split chickpeas, 1 teaspoon fenugreek seeds, 15 curry leaves, 6 to 7 Kashmiri red chilies, 1 tablespoon coconut oil or any other oil, 1 inch chopped ginger, 4 chopped garlic cloves, 1/4 cup fresh coconut and 2 chopped green chilies. Now for sambar cooking, 2 cups water, 1/3 cup pigeon peas washed and soaked for half an hour, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon cumin seeds, half teaspoon mustard seeds, half teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder, 2 chopped tomatoes, 2 diced onions, 2 tablespoon coconut oil or any other oil, 1 cup chopped pumpkin, half cup chopped carrots, 1/3 chopped bottle gourd, 2 drumsticks, 1 cup chopped eggplant, 2 sliced shallots, 1 teaspoon salt or as per taste, 3 tablespoon jaggery, 2 tablespoon tamarind pulp and 1.5 liters of hot water. For tempering, you need 1 tablespoon coconut oil, 2 teaspoon mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 2 dry red chilies and 15 to 20 curry leaves. Now for the recipe. First for the sambar masala, in a pan on medium heat add coconut oil. Once the oil is hot, add asafetida, mustard seeds, cumin seeds, black peppercorns and coriander seeds. Next add split chickpeas and split black gram and mix. Cook this until split chickpeas changes its color. Next add curry leaves, fenugreek seeds, Kashmiri red chilies and shallots. Next add coconut, garlic, ginger and green chilies and mix and cook for 3 minutes. Set it aside to cool down. Once it is cooled, transfer it to a grinder with a little water and grind it to a paste. Transfer this to a bowl and grind the remaining masala. Next, in a pressure cooker, add drained pigeon peas, salt and turmeric powder. Next, add 2 cups of water and mix. Cover the pressure cooker and cook the dal for 4 whistles on medium-high heat. After the pressure is released naturally, uncover the pressure cooker and whisk it using a whisker until a smooth dal is obtained. Next, in a pan on medium heat, add coconut oil. Once the oil is hot, add mustard seeds and cumin seeds and mix. Once the seeds start to crackle, add onions and mix. Cook the onions until they are translucent. Next, add tomatoes and mix. Next, add turmeric powder and red chili powder and mix and cook for 2 minutes. After this, add 1.5 liters of hot water, eggplant, bottle gourd, drumsticks, carrots, pumpkin, shallots, salt, prepared paste and mix. You can add any other vegetables of your choice. Next, add the dal and mix and bring it to a boil. Once it is boiled, lower the flame and cook for half an hour. Next, add salt, jaggery and tamarind pulp and mix and cook for 2 minutes. Next, add chopped coriander and mix. Now for tempering, in a pan on medium heat add coconut oil. Once the oil is hot, add mustard seeds and cumin seeds and mix. Once the seeds start to crackle, add curry leaves and red chilies. Cook for 2 minutes, then add it to the prepared sambar and mix. Your sambar is ready to serve.
Thank you and namaste from my side. See you all in the next video.